I want y'all to think about one thing, Luger. It's you and me, pal. And the bottom line is, Luger, I know each and every day of my life that I'm the greatest athlete alive today. I am Ric Flair. So, Luger, when, where, makes no difference. The bottom line is, pal, you got to walk that aisle against the nature boy himself. And that means, automatically, you lose.